Home improvement isn't as hard as you might think it is. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace this nasty old sink with this. Start by cutting off the old caulk from the sink. Remove the bolts that attach the sink to the wall. Turn off the water supply. Disconnect the water lines. And pull off the sink. All of it. Don't leave any of it, even on the floor. Or the wall. Good. Now unbox your shiny new vanity. Move it into place. Drill holes to attach it to the wall. Align these with the existing holes in the wall from the previous sink and install the bolts. Nice. Now install an adjustable elbow at the drain. Nice. Pull out your new sink and the faucet. Attach the faucet to the sink using the nut that comes with it. Apply some putty to the drain top. Now attach a pipe connection to the bottom piece of the drain. Insert it into the sink and connect it to the top piece. Install the lift rod into the faucet. Connect it to the strap. Insert the drain plug into the drain and connect that to the pivot rod. And finally, connect that to the strap. Apply some caulk to the vanity top to attach the sink. Place the sink on it. Push it into place. Now connect the sink drain to the drain pipe. Apply some plumber's tape to both ends of a 1/2 inch by 3/8 inch adapter. Connect the hot water pipe from the faucet to the adapter. And connect the hot water supply to the other end of the adapter. Do the same with the cold water connection. You may not need this adapter depending on your water supply connection. Turn on the water supply. Test the water. Make sure to check for leaks. Now apply caulk to the sink top. Press it in with your finger. And done. As promised, here are the tools you need to complete this project. A drill, a utility knife, plumber's putty, plumber's tape, plumber's caulk, and a wrench. That's it. Thanks for watching that video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Like the title of this video suggests, the whole project cost me less than 300 bucks. I got the vanity from Home Depot for $199. I also got the faucet from Home Depot for 90 bucks. And the plumbing tools cost me 3 bucks total. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more. I cover home improvement and tech videos from an average guy's perspective. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time.